Hi, my name is Abigail Seymour. I'm a child custody and family law attorney in Greensboro, North Carolina. And today I want to talk about a question that is asked often, and that is, when is a child old enough to choose which parent he or she wants to live with? And I'm not sure where this rumor began, but for some reason, and maybe it's because it's true in other states, but somehow the age of 16, I've heard 13. Now, isn't it true that at 13 they can choose where they're going to live? The answer is they can't. And this is often very disappointing news for parents, which this refers back to another video I have made about things not to do, one of which is do not ask your child where he or she wants to live. Of course, when they get to a certain age, you're going to kind of get their feelings about things. But the bottom line is, legally, they have a vote. They have a voice. And judges will often ask for that child's voice. In our jurisdiction, they almost never, I've never seen a child testify in open court. If a judge wants to get the child's perspective in a particularly high conflict case, or just that they just would like to hear what the child has to say, they will have a private meeting in the judge's chambers with just the child and the judge. Both parties need to consent to let that happen, but it can often make a huge difference. But it's not the child driving the truck. It's not the child saying, I'm gonna tell you guys where I'm gonna live. And of course, the older a child gets, the more that opinion counts. But a child of even as young as 8 or 9 can be considered of sufficient age and maturity to have his or her voice heard. But keep that in mind, because a lot of people will come in and the first thing they say is, my child wants to live with me. I know because I've asked him. And as I mentioned in another video, I've even heard judges say if they find out that you asked the child point blank to decide or to choose, they'll actually they'll vote for the other side. They'll rule for the other side because they just feel that that's so unhealthy, because it is. But the child cannot choose. The child doesn't get to a certain age. They can choose where they want to live once they turn 18. But again, a minor has a very important voice in all this, but it is not the dispositive voice. It is not the deciding voice. It's always at the judge's discretion. If it's come to that, the child can voice their opinion, but can't decide. Anyway, thank you for listening, and if you like or learned anything from this, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page, and thanks for watching.